Hi students, I just wanted to show you how to determine how many hours of credit that you've earned towards your grade thus far this semester. First thing you're going to do is log into Canvas, and then you're going to go over here to the grades section. Once you click on your grades, it will take you over to all of your assignments that have been turned in thus far. So you'll see the due dates and the activity or the assignment that's going to be labeled over here. So just go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom of that page, and you will see your total number of hours. So this student, for example, has 5 hours of credit earned towards their grade thus far. Now remember, the information on how many hours that you should be earning throughout the semester can be found on your syllabus, and you can just find that by clicking on the syllabus link over here, and then you can download your syllabus here. For this class, A through F grading is going to pertain to most of you. So in order to get your A, you want to have 48 hours or more by December 15th. Okay, remember you can earn a maximum of 2 hours per day and a maximum of 7 hours per week in this course for the semester. So as I will be posting announcements throughout the semester as to the number of hours that you should be at in order to stay on track. Okay, so we want all of you to earn A's, so remember 48 hours is your goal. And if you have any questions about that, please feel free to reach out to me. But remember, you're just going to go to your grades section and then scroll all the way to the bottom to get that total number of hours that you have. So 5 is the total number of hours the student has at this point. Okay? If you have any questions, just be sure to reach out to me and get working on those hours.